Hey everyone, welcome to the PC Handyman. In this video, we are going to see how to and also how not to fix the fans in a PC case. For this demo, we will use a Corsair MX410 case and a set of generic RGB case fans. We begin by opening the acrylic side panel and then the front panel. The front panel is a bit difficult to remove as you might need to apply a lot of force to open it. I thought that I broke something when I heard this sound, but that is how you open it. The next steps seem pretty straightforward as you just have to install the fans according to the right airflow direction as shown on the screen. I then tried to fix the front panel back into its place, but something seemed wrong. I was not able to fix it. That is when I realized that I installed the fans in the wrong position. They are supposed to be fixed from the inside of the case and not in the space between the case and the front panel. So I had to redo the process, but now in the right position. One more thing you might want to make sure is that you install the bottommost fan before you fix the middle one, because the bottom fan has to be installed in a narrow slot that is only accessible when the middle fan is not there. Here you can see how I had to remove the middle fan to make way for the bottom fan. And now is the time to fix the front panel and hear those beautiful snap-in sounds. Then you give the fan connections to the custom controller as shown on the screen and you're done. You have this beautiful RGB effect that can also be controlled with a remote. Thank you for watching. If you found the video useful, please consider to like and share it and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon in another exciting video.